So when we got the boat wrapped this past fall, we don't know exactly what happened, but we noticed that the screen was cut open. I'm going to fix this. And the good thing is that our boat came with a roll of extra screen. So I don't even have to buy anything.
Wait, doesn't every boat come with a roll of extra screen?
Yeah. So it'll be a quick and easy project. First, just popping it out. Pretty simple. Just prying it open. Oh. I already took it out once, so popped out a little quicker this time. But you might have to go on the outside because there are these little tabs here. You might have to just push it in. Close that because it's still cold out. Voila. So first we need to take the little rubber gasket out. It's actually peeling out right here. But you could use a tool to pry that out. This gasket doesn't go all the way around. There's a little block of aluminum right here. This is where this whole piece comes together, so it's holding the frame in place. Kevin gave me a nice sharp new blade. Make this better.
Don't say I never give you nothing.
There's a little bit of, yeah, I'm gonna get a Q-tip. Pause. Tiny bit of gunk in here, but it's really clean, actually. So I can use this as a template to cut my new piece of screen, which is nice. Okay, cutting bigger than my screen, because once we fit it in, we'll actually trim it to size. I think I need a tool to help push this in. Maybe just a screwdriver with a square bit so it's kind of flat and not sharp. I actually was at the hardware store and I saw there is a specific tool for this, but I'm not going to buy that for one little project. This is working just fine.
This table came with the boat. Our friends have the same table, and man, it is so useful. It was originally inside, but we brought it out here, and it's just really useful because it's height adjustable, so we can use it as a work surface. Just a great table.
Yeah. It's great for parties.
Yeah.
At this height too, to just have food out on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it goes nice and low if you want to have it. You want to sit on the couch and eat. It's great.
So I'm going to cut a slit here right where this metal spacer is. Just make sure it's in all the way around, which it is, and then I will trim excess. Okay. Thank you. So that's good. Now once the hot glue gun heats up, we'll glue that and trim it and be done.
Right through the screen. You don't even have to lift it up.
Oh. Not bad. Hopefully it stays. If not, we'll glue it again. So there is a pretty easy project to do. if you need to rescreen your screens on your boat, on your house. I think we've done it when we had a house too, so it's not too hard, and it doesn't cost too much in materials either. So if you do need to find screen, you can find it at any hardware store. It's pretty cheap, and if you're lazy and don't want to do it yourself, the hardware store usually does it too. So thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. It fits. Bye.